Hello, in this video we want to solve for x and y. The first equation we have x plus y is equal to 100, and the second equation we have xy is also equal to 100. To begin, from the first equation, I'm going to make either x or y the subject of the formula. Since I have x plus y is equal to 100, I can subtract y from both sides to give me x is equal to 10 minus y. Now I'm going to go into the second equation and substitute for x. So I have 10 minus y times y is equal to 100. Let us open this bracket. 10y minus y squared is equal to 100. This means minus y squared plus 10y. Then if I transfer 100 to the left hand side, I have minus 100 is equal to 0. Let us divide by minus 1 on both sides, or multiply through by minus 1. This will give us y squared minus 10y plus 100 is equal to 0. We are going to use the quadratic formula, which is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. That means our a is 1, which is the coefficient of y squared. Our b is negative 10, which is the coefficient of y. And then our c is the constant term, 100. The formula we are going to apply is x equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This means that our y is equal to minus this negative 10 plus minus the square root of same negative 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times c is 100, then divided by 2 times 1. Let us tidy these up. So I have 10 plus minus, this is 100 minus 400, then divided by 2. So I have y is equal to 10 plus minus the square root of negative 300 divided by 2. Y is equal to 10 plus minus. Now 300 is the same thing as writing 100 times negative 3, then divided by 2. So y is equal to 10 plus minus. I'm going to separate the radical into 100, then times square root of negative 3 divided by 2. Square root of 100 is 10, giving us y equals to 10 plus minus square root of 100, 10, then root negative 3 over 2. So y is equal to 10 plus or minus 10. We're going to handle the square root of negative 3 as square root of 3i. So this radical is imaginary, and then we replace it with square root of 3i, then divided by 2. So we will have two values for y, but before then, let me separate this division into 10 over 2 plus minus 10 root 3i over 2. This is 5. This is also 5. So I have y is equal to 5 plus minus root 3i. This is our answer for y. So the first value for y is equal to 5 plus 5 root 3. There's a 5 here. So this is 5 root 3i. And then the second value, y2, is equal to 5 minus 5 root 3i. Now let us get the corresponding values for x. Remember, x is equal to 10 minus y. If we go back to the beginning where we solved for equation, we solved for x in equation 1. So x is 10 minus y, and then we have two values for y. Therefore, we get two corresponding values for x. So 10 for the x1, we use y1, and for the x2, we use y2. So x1 is equal to 10 minus this value, 5 plus 5 root 3i, which will give us 5 minus 5 root 3i. We'll do the same thing for x2, which will be 10 minus y2, 10 minus y2 is 5 minus 5 root 3i, giving us x2 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, so I'll just write 5, then plus 5 root 3i. And we have found all the four values of this problem. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.